I'm going to show you how to make these delicious blistered Padron peppers with Romesco. First, let's prepare the Romesco, which is a tomato and pepper sauce from Catalonia. I'm going to start with a Ñora chili that I've soaked in hot water for about 20 minutes, then drained. In a food processor, add the chilies, garlic, almonds, and fried bread, and pulse until finely ground. Process to combine the roasted red bell pepper, tomato, hot pimenton, sweet pimenton, and vinegar. Gradually add the olive oil until the mixture emulsifies. I'm using an olive oil with medium green fruitiness to balance the richness of the nuts and the sweet fruitiness of the peppers. Add salt to taste. Romesco is delicious with seafood, as a sandwich spread, or a dip. Today we're going to serve Romesco with blistered Padron peppers. Heat a sauté pan large enough to fit the peppers in a single layer over medium-high heat. Add the oil and then the peppers. And cook without moving until blistered on the first side, about 30 seconds. Flip and shake the peppers and continue to cook, turning occasionally until well blistered all over and tender crisp, about 1.5 minutes total. Transfer the peppers to a serving dish, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkle with coarse salt. Serve immediately with a bowl of Romesco sauce. For the full recipe, go to theplantforwardkitchen.org or find the recipe link below.